everyone, welcome back. As you can see, I drove Alvin to Rainbow River. We paid for a kayak rental and hopped on the bus, which will drop us off at the river's entrance.
It's gonna take you guys 2 to 3 hours, not trying real hard. We're on your wristband. I guess you got a phone?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. You call that number when you get there. We'll pick you up, bring you back to your vehicle.
Okay. Once you get there, you pay a $5 entrance fee per person. I'm so excited!
Okay. Swampy's Bar under the bridge. Exit to the left, man. You guys have a seat when you're ready, guys. You guys have a good one.
Thank you.
Enjoy. Give us a call.
Yes.
Swampy's Bridge. Swampy's Bar under the bridge. Exit left.
Okay, thank you.
Oh man.
We are off to such a great start. So we're at Rainbow River. We rented a canoe. Is that what it's called? Or a kayak? A kayak. It was $50 for 2 people. Or half a day, but it just depends like what place you buy it at, because there's multiple. Make sure when you do come, you bring a strong man so that they could do all the work and you can just sit down and relax. How are you doing back there? I'm working hard too. Alvin! I don't care. I'll rock your world. It's pretty hot. We've seen turtles, fish, birds that look like snakes.
Why you keep hitting the canoe? Stroke, hit the water, not the kayak. Oh my God. Oh. Okay, now you're splashing. Oh, well damn. You wanna like hang your ass off of the boat?
No.
You know what doesn't help?
What?
Having to pee in a body of water.
Yeah, that's why I have to pee.
You know what's funny though? I went to pee at Wawa.
Yeah, me too.
Your bladder is like the size of a fruity pebble. So, oh my gosh, is that a dock?
Don't worry, we're almost there.
You know what's funny? I told her that it would be much easier if we both rode together, but she wants to decide to do things by herself. So we're here now.
When you rode together, we did ride together.
No, we didn't.
What if I got my own boat?
Well, that was also an option. That was also an option.
Yeah, we would have died.
I would have left you behind, like you left me behind when we went horseback riding.
Rainbow River has sustained humans as far back as 10,000 years. In 1995, not long ago, it was open to the public, and now visitors like myself can find a variety of wildlife and appreciate nature. We stopped at Swampy. We weren't supposed to stop. I feel so bad.
Right over there?
Yeah. Ready?
Yeah, right over there.
Okay. Yeah. What? We survived. Oh, I see it. We have reached land. Why was this so hard for me?
I need your help.
Oh. Okay. We might hit the... Oh. It felt very long, but it wasn't really long at all. So I need to call the people, the rental, so they can pick us up. Thank you to Rainbow River Kayak Adventures for an unforgettable, scary, but fun time. This video is not sponsored, but if you want to sponsor us, please do so. I won't say no, unless I have to promote something crazy like a strip club or something. I'll probably say no to that. Okay, bye!